Day in the life. It's a day in the life. It's a day in the life.
Corey Ratcliffe trading.
It's a day in the life.
Well, what's good, YouTube, man? How y'all doing, man? Corey Ratcliffe trading back with another video, man. Just gonna talk to y'all for a little bit, run some things by y'all, tell y'all what's going on, man. Number one, still dealing with you know what I'm saying, that blown top step funded account, man. Just kind of reflecting, man. Man, I gotta do some things better. You know, I've noticed that I can be an emotional trader. I gotta put that in check, but I can't help that I'm passionate about what I do and love. You know what I'm saying? Like things that are dear to me, family, God. You know what I'm saying? And I'm passionate about those. I'm passionate about my videography stuff, and like I'll spend hours and days on perfecting stuff to make sure it's right. And when it comes to this trading stuff, man, like anything that I do, anything that my hands touch, anything that I am involved with, I am very passionate about. So it's hard for me not to be passionate about trading. A lot of people think I'm a emotional guy, and I really gotta like be tone deaf, and it's hard for me to do that because I'm just really passionate and really care about things that I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta use that in the right way. I gotta kind of shift that a little bit. That's number one. Number two, man, I don't know whether this individual want me to put their name out like that, but eventually. But somebody help me out getting another account. After I've blown my funded account, man. Shout out to you. You did not have to do that. I'm so appreciative. I'm thankful. I'm grateful. Like, man, that's crazy that they done this. Like, they hit me up and, you know what I'm saying? Hooked your boy up to get another account, man. We got another combine account, and I'm appreciative, and I thank God for that. You know, really didn't have to do that. But I think what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm not really gonna post every day about my wins and losses on this account. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This is number 3. I'm thinking about just doing one video a week. I'm gonna try this out. So hopefully you guys got your notification on. You're subscribed. All post notification, anything. Make sure you turn everything on. I think what I'm gonna do is like do weekly vlogs, like day in the life vlogs, man. If I have something going on, I'm gonna record it and label it. Like I'm gonna make this like a documentary, like something shaking, something happening Monday, or I take some trades. I'm gonna have in big letters, boom, it's gonna be dramatic Monday, and then show you Monday's vlog. If anything going on Tuesday, boom, Tuesday, you know what I'm saying, Tuesday's vlog. Anything going on Wednesday, might not. Anything going on Thursday, might not. Anything going on Friday, boom, vlog Friday, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gearing towards doing that, and I might release it Friday after everybody get off work, or Saturday lunchtime. So I think I'm going to go down to one video a week and just give you a vlog to watch. You know what I'm saying? It'd be about 15 to 30 minutes, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Kind of changing things up a little bit. I used to put like $100 in my live account, my personal account, and grow that, and then, you know what I'm saying, use that money to fund these challenges. It just makes more sense to me to trade with prop firms. Like, say for instance, I got $100 on my live account. You know what I'm saying? That can only go so far. You know what I'm saying? I could grow that, but it'll take way longer. So, you know, I hear mixed emotions about this. But say for instance, I make a profit with $100. I make a profit for the day, maybe like, I don't know, $50 or another $100. You know what I'm saying? It may take 2 or 3 days. Well, over time, I keep doing it, it will grow. But why don't I take some of that money that I'm making and put it on a prop firm challenge. With a prop firm challenge, if I pay Top Step or if I pay my funded futures, Top Step once the combine is passed, it's $50, and then the activation fee is $150. That'd be the tough part, man. There's other prop firms where like my funded futures, shoot, if I pass, the top the e valve is $80, and then once I pass that, there's no activation fee. Like that stuff add up over time, man. So why don't I use my live account to pay for those things and pay for those combines and e-valves, and then once I get the e-valve, I have a drawdown of $2,000. Like that makes so much more sense to me. Like I'm risking $80 to gain 2,500 with my funded futures, or I'm risking 50. I'm risking $80 to get $2,500 in drawdown. I'm risking $50 to get $2,000 in drawdown. Like that makes so much more sense to me. So I think that's the route I'm gonna go. My reason for doing this, guys, is I just want to be real. I want to be transparent. I'm just a regular 9-to-5 guy trying to make it with this trading stuff. I really believe this trading stuff can really change my life, but I'm doing the right things. Is that my emotions are involved a lot, and I got to get that under check. Once I get that in check, I'll be good, man. But I really feel like this trading thing can really take me and my family to a whole nother level. That is the game plan, to open up different streams of income through trading and make it through trading, man. But yeah, man, just wanted to give you guys updates on what I'm getting ready to do, what I'm thinking about doing, man. Probably what all I said is getting ready to take place. I'm gonna bring you guys with me tonight to record this basketball game. You know what I'm saying? Show you my setup, show you how I do it. I've already shown you before in the church, but you actually get to see me do it recording basketball games. Like, it's pretty cool, man. And then also, guys, remember, I'm going to try this, releasing one video a week, release it on Friday or Saturday. So make sure you guys like the video, make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell. So you don't miss any videos that I have coming out with. And I think it gives, I've heard people say you should post more frequently to try to hit the algorithm and stuff. And I'm like, man, sometimes posting these videos is draining. I'll post a video, use the SEO score and stuff like that. And I'll put so much work into trying to make these videos try to get out. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying, they could get more views and so I could get monetized. It's like I'm almost there to get monetized. And it seemed like once I said that, the video slowed down. And I'm like, what then happened? Like I'm starting to get back to my regular views and stuff, but I don't know what's going on. So I was like, maybe I should give these videos enough time for YouTube to, you know what I'm saying, to push it. So I was like, I'm gonna just try something different. It'll give me a little break. That way I won't have to like hurry up and post every day. You know what I'm saying? Like I said before, I would rather give you guys quality than quantity. I could give you so many videos, but they mean nothing. Why don't I give you, you know what I'm saying, some gems, some things to help, you know what I'm saying? Just to show you guys, man, whatever I'm doing, you can do it too. You know what I'm saying? We can make this happen as 9-to-5 workers, man. But I am gonna try this one video a week. I'm gonna try it just to free me up. That way I'm not rushing myself or panicking. You know what I'm saying? Cause I gotta put a video out almost every day. But yeah, man. The next clip you will see is me setting up in the gym. So let's get it. Let's go. All right, y'all, man. As you can see, got the gimbal. Got all my bags right here, man. Yeah, we in here. Now we gotta go to the other side. Now, y'all, we gotta go set up over there in that area, man. That way we out of everybody's way. So we finna go set up. So as you guys can see, man, we got everything set up, man, ready to record Niece, man. Niece is a senior, so she plays after this game. So we got action in about 30 more minutes. So in 30 more minutes, I'm gonna show you guys some footage, and you're gonna get to see what your boy doing, man. So let's get it. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's meet your Hopkinsville Lady Tigers. At guard number 3, Alicia Davis. At guard number 5, Shoutout Wilson. At forward number 31, Taria Sharper. At forward number 34, Lily Love. And at forward number 20, Tom Ellensworth. The Lady Tigers are coached by Keith Leslie.
Well, y'all, man, that was a successful game, man. As you can see the score up there. The score is 65-40, man. They end up winning, man. Niece did good. At the beginning, man, she was forcing a lot of shots, man, but she ended up playing team ball, getting some steals, some assists, you know what I'm saying? So, good game, man. Now we're finna head home and wrap this up, man. That was a good game. Well, alrighty, guys, man, we just made it home, man. Went to go pick up a couple of snacks for me and wifey, man. You know what I'm saying? Just to chill out, watch a movie or something, and you know what I'm saying? Just to, I don't know, man, just enjoy ourselves, man. Pretty much overall decent day, man. You guys just stay locked in, stay tapped in. Know that God will make a way, believing in God and trusting God that He will do the exceedingly abundantly above all we could ever ask, think, or imagine. I just thank God for being in my life, my family, my church family. Man, I'm just grateful and thankful, man. I know in due season, man, my season will come to where, you know what I'm saying, I will be truly blessed, and I know that my time is coming to where I can bless other people, you know what I'm saying, just out the kindness of my heart. God has made me a giver now, and you know what I'm saying, I'm willing to give, man, so we're just gonna wait and be patient. I think I said it earlier that I did start another top step combine. I'ma just take it slow. I probably won't be recording that a lot. Probably when I do my end of the week vlogs and stuff, man, I'll show you my weekly P&L, my weekly losses, wins, it don't matter. Just show you guys what I'm doing at the end of the week instead of posting videos every day of me losing or winning. You know what I'm saying? Just give you a view of or a recap of the week towards the end of the week. Yeah, man, that's going to do it for this video, man. Make sure you guys like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Corey Ratcliffe Trading Guy coming out, guys. You guys stay tapped in, locked in, keep trading. Keep following your strategy, using proper risk management, having discipline, not getting greedy, and just keep maintaining all of them, man. And you will be profitable. You will get payouts. You will be successful in life, and you will pass these combines, test accounts, evals, or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Just trust and believe, man, and all things will come to pass. Peace, blessings. I love y'all. Y'all know the motto. I holla.
It's a day in the life. It's a day in the life. It's a day